fanatics, we're back. We're going to build some more things for the desk here. You know, put some monitors on there, do some crazy stuff. So yeah, get ready for the fire because it's coming. Alright, so I'm going to start with this over here because I'm going to take this and this clear thing, stick it on here like that. I'm going to take this orange piece and put it right there. And this is going to go right like that. And then this black piece that's down here will go right on here. I need one of these. And this, get it on there. There we go. This is going to go right here. So I'm going to have to move this keyboard out of my way for a hot minute. Put that down a little bit. Yep. Yeah. Like that. And this is going to go right there, like that. That's going to be somebody's light, although I don't know whose. And it sits right there. Okay, and then I'm going to take this. I'm going to put, yeah, if I can keep from dropping things, that'd be cool. So I'm going to put this on here like this, right? I'm going to take this piece. I'm going to put it right here like that. Okay. This is going to simulate a monitor holder, if you can see it. Then I've got some stickers. Hang on a second, let's see which one goes here. I think it's this one. Yep. I have a whole bunch of stickers over here that I'm going to pick up right now. Okay, so this one goes like that. Okay, then this piece, whoop, easy, it's going to go right here. And let's turn this around like that. Perfect. Just like that. Okay. Everything's going to be just like this. Okay. Next we're going to have 3 blocks. So I'm going to take these 3 blocks right here. 1, 2, 3. Then I'm going to take this part and put it on right like that. And then I've got this last one that goes like this, okay? And then I'm going to take, this right. All right, these go on like this. So it looks like that. And then you're going to take this other piece and you're going to go like that so that it's, you know, opposite of each other, just like that. Okay. And here's where the interesting things come in. I need this one here. I need this one. I'm trying to look and see what I've got here, and then on this side this one goes here, and then this one goes there. So you've got newspaper articles all the way around that are hanging up. Okay, then I'm going to take this piece here, I'm going to go like that, and then I'm going to take this circular holder, and then I'm going to take this on top, and then each one of these little things is going to sit here. So these are going to sit in here. They're going to clip on, but I got some stickers to put on these first. So the first one is this guy. Okay, so like I said, just take a sticker. And if you want to know how I'm doing this, I'm putting these little teeth in my hand. See if you can see this, so that you can see these teeth, and I'm holding it like that so it'll hold up, because this back part is going to clip onto here. Now let's make sure I'm doing this correctly. I get the right thing here. So this one's going to be here. So there you go. That's one. See what I'm saying? How it clips on there? So you just got to make sure it clips on there, and then you put the picture on the right side. So that's one. Tell you what, I'll do the rest of these. I'll just show you how they're going to be on here. So you're going to have one here, one here, like that. And then these are just going to go up here, like this. They'll be facing down. There. Whoop. These are screens that will have a TV station on them, and it goes in the middle of here, but it's going to round out the newsroom. So I will put the stickers on them and put them in there, and I'll see you in the next video.